happened right here?
Yes. This church had been rebuilt and refurbished, of course. But yes, it happened right here.
Wow.
Spain surrendered to America, but most of the soldiers that remained here in Baler refused to believe the news. They kept on fighting and killing many Balereños. And yet, when they surrendered, they were welcomed as friends and honored like heroes.
Really? That's a bit weird.
We Filipinos are big on forgiveness and magnanimity. We don't know how to hate.
Yes, I can see that. Your fiancé died in the hands of a Japanese, and yet you're here talking to me as a friend. I really appreciate it. Salamat.
Walang anuman.
I need to get going. Listen, I want to come back for a full vacation. Babalik ako.
Babalik ka? Kailan?
Very soon. Maybe 2 weeks.
2 linggo?
Parang.
Paalam, Kenji.
Dalawang linggo na lang, Nestor. Malapit na yun.
Sa pagtupad ko sa aking tungkulin sa bayan, ang alaala mo ang pinakamabisang sandata ko laban sa lungkot, laban sa takot, laban sa pagkamuhi sa kaaway. Ang pag-ibig mo ang bukal ng aking lakas, ang dagat ng aking pag-asa. Gaano man kadilim ang digmaan, Fidela, ikaw ang islap na gagabay sa aking pag-uwi pabalik sa yakap mo. Pagtigil ng putukan, sisikat ang araw at babalik ako sa Baler.